Okay, this is John from John's Hand Loading, and today I'm going to use Evapo Rust for the first time. I'm going to put this rusty piece in here with that stuff, soak it overnight, and then see what it looks like tomorrow. This is what it looks like. I will check it out tomorrow. Alright, this is what it looks like the next day. I gotta pull it out of there and rinse it off with water and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after it's been cleaned. It is a 357 SIG Wilson case gauge. It definitely looks much better than it did if you look at the beginning of the video, but I'm actually surprised it didn't clean up even better. Having never used the de-rusting stuff before, I didn't know what to expect. My son usually uses just regular old household vinegar to soak stuff and de-rust it, and it comes out pretty good. I'm pretty sure though if I took steel wool and polished this up, it would clean up a lot and look a lot better. I mean, compared to the red rust that was there earlier, that looks pretty good. I guess I can't expect it to look like this one. Well, there you go. Evapo Rust. Overnight in Evapo Rust. That's what it came out like. Have a great day.